Thinking about diving into the world of self-directed trading on Ally? Have you ever wondered if it's the right platform for you, or if the grass is greener somewhere else? Today, we're breaking down the pros and cons of Ally's self-directed trading, so you can make an informed decision about where to put your money. First, let's talk about the big wins, the pros. Ally Invest is an absolute home run for existing Ally Bank customers. The seamless integration is a huge convenience. You can see your banking, credit cards, and investments all in one place, and transferring money between accounts is instant. This single dashboard view is a major plus for simplifying your financial life. Another big pro is the low cost. Ally Invest offers commission-free trading on eligible U.S. stocks, ETFs, and options. While many brokers have moved in this direction, Ally's options contract fee of just 50 cents is among the lowest in the industry. They also have no account minimums for self-directed accounts, making it super accessible for new investors who are just starting out with a small amount of capital. Plus, they offer a wide range of investment options, including stocks, bonds, options, and mutual funds. The platform itself is also a strong point. It's user-friendly and great for beginners and intermediate traders. You get a solid set of tools, like screeners, watch lists, and research from sources like Morningstar. Ally also offers a dividend reinvestment program, or DRIP, which is a fantastic feature for long-term investors looking to compound their returns without any extra effort. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Let's get into the cons. If you're an advanced or highly active trader, Ally's platform might feel a little lacking. It doesn't offer more sophisticated order types like trailing stops, and the mobile app, while functional, doesn't have all the features of the web platform. The research tools are decent, but they don't have the depth or variety you'd find on more advanced brokerage platforms. Another significant drawback is the limited asset classes. Ally Invest doesn't offer direct trading for cryptocurrencies, futures, or forex. While you can invest in things like Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, if you want direct access to the crypto market, you'll have to look elsewhere. And while there are no account minimums for self-directed accounts, there are fees for things like account transfers out, and a closing fee for IRAs, which can be a bit of a sting if you decide to move your money later on. So, who is Ally self-directed trading best for? It's an excellent choice for a beginner or an intermediate investor who wants a straightforward, low-cost platform. If you're already an Ally Bank customer, it's a no-brainer. But if you're an experienced day trader who needs a full suite of advanced tools, or you're interested in trading a wide range of assets like crypto or futures, you might find yourself needing a more specialized platform. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.